A food steamer is a healthy, oil-free cooking appliance that uses steam to gently cook vegetables, seafood, rice, and more while preserving nutrients and natural flavors. With stackable tiers, quick heat up, and auto shut-off features, it's perfect for fast, efficient meal prep. Ideal for families or health-conscious cooks seeking convenience and clean eating in one simple device. There are many different types of food steamer, each with special benefits, features, and prices. To help make right decisions, I did a lot of research and will be found the best food steamer that people like you can benefit greatly from these products. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So watch the video with patience. Number 5. Electric Food Steamer for Cooking, 15 QD Vegetable Steamer. Steam healthy meals with ease using this electric food steamer for cooking. Featuring a generous 15L capacity and 3-tier stainless steel trays, it allows you to cook multiple dishes at once, perfect for family meals or weekly prep. The 1200W fast heating element generates steam in just 20 seconds, ensuring even and efficient cooking every time. With built-in overheat and boil-dry protection, safety is never compromised. The smart digital touch panel offers 6 presets: meat, rice, seafood, veggies, sterilize, and keep warm, making operation effortless. Enjoy added convenience with the 24-hour delay timer and automatic keep warm function, so your meals are always hot and ready when you are. Made with BPA-free, food-grade materials, the steamer features a detachable tray system and juice collecting plate for easy cleanup. Whether you're steaming vegetables, rice, or sterilizing baby items, this steamer is the ideal kitchen companion for fast, nutritious, and hassle-free cooking. Number 4. Bideem G553 5-Quart Electric Food Steamer. The Bideem G553 5-Quart Electric Food Steamer is your all-in-one solution for healthy, effortless cooking. With 3 smart programs, steaming, slow cooking, and yogurt making, this multifunctional steamer is perfect for nutritious meals and baby food prep. Designed for speed, it produces steam in just 60 seconds, locking in nutrients and flavor without leaking air or spraying water. Its auto power-off protection ensures safety, pausing operation when water is low and shutting down when empty. Compact and lightweight at only 9.47 pounds, it fits easily in any kitchen while offering a large capacity, big enough to steam a whole fish without trimming. The digital timer function lets you preset cooking up to 18 hours in advance, and it will automatically keep food warm for up to 18 hours, so your meals are ready when you are. Made with durable materials and a stainless steel tray, the Bideem G553 blends convenience with smart, healthy cooking. Number 3. Joydeem Electric Food Steamer for Cooking. The Joydeem JD DZG15B Electric Food Steamer is the ultimate kitchen companion for fast, healthy, and versatile cooking. With a generous 15L, 16 QD capacity, it's perfect for large families and can easily steam a whole fish thanks to its 29 cm diameter and 8 cm depth steam rack. Powered by 1350W, it heats up quickly and offers 3-speed power adjustment for precise control, hot pot mode only. This 2-tier steamer is ideal for vegetables, seafood, meat, and dumplings, and with the steam generator removed, it transforms into a 3L electric pot for noodles, congee, or shabu shabu. Enjoy added convenience with a 24-hour delay start and 2-hour keep warm function. Designed for healthy cooking, the BPA-free stainless steel construction and clear lid ensure safe, nutrient-rich meals with easy monitoring. Built-in boil-dry protection and ergonomic handles enhance safety, making the Joydeem steamer a powerful, multifunctional, and family-friendly addition to your kitchen. Number 2. Secura Electric Food Steamer. The Secura Electric Food Steamer offers fast, healthy, and convenient cooking with its 1200W stainless steel digital design. Producing steam in just 15 seconds, it ensures quick and even heating for a variety of dishes including fish, vegetables, dumplings, chicken, rice, and more. This versatile electric steamer also doubles as a hot dog, bun, seafood, and tortilla steamer, perfect for everyday meals or special occasions. Featuring stackable 2-tier baskets, a glass lid with a non-slip knob, and an anti-scalding handle, it's designed for both safety and ease of use. The LED display and delay start timer, up to 10 hours, add convenience, while the keep warm function maintains food at a ready-to-eat 176 degrees Fahrenheit. Built-in boil-dry protection and auto shut-off ensure safe operation. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe, this 8.5-quart digital steamer is a smart, oil-free way to prepare nutritious meals. 120V/60 Hz power and backed by a 2-year warranty. Number 1. Secura 2 Stainless Steel Food Steamer 8.5 QT. The Secura 2 Stainless Steel Food Steamer offers healthy, oil-free cooking with a sleek and efficient design. With an 800W heating element, it generates steam in just 15 seconds, quickly and evenly cooking fish, vegetables, chicken, grains, and more, rice bowl not included. Its stackable 2-tier stainless steel baskets expand your cooking space, and each pot includes a keep cool handle for safe handling. The glass lid features a non-slip knob and anti-scalding design, while the clear waterline lets you easily monitor water levels. Designed for convenience, the steamer includes anti-dry protection and automatic shutoff when water runs low. Simple to use with its analog control panel, it's also dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Operating on 120V/60 Hz, it's ideal for North American kitchens and comes with a 2-year warranty for peace of mind. Enjoy nutrient-rich, delicious meals with this versatile and durable 8.5-quart electric steamer. All I want to say is that I make helpful videos daily. Please do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, so do check out link the my description box for each product mentioned. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.